guys, so right now it is currently 7:15. In today's video I'm going to be filming the ultimate self-care evening for you guys. Concentrate on all those acts that I love incorporating into my videos to motivate you guys, or just to kind of give you all a reminder. Take care of yourself, set some time aside, because I guarantee your future self will thank you for it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. And without the way, let's get into the video. As I did just get out of the bath, I did just use some body lotion. I'm going to show you guys the body lotion that I did use. I just used the Sleepy body lotion, and this one is from LUSH. I am so obsessed with LUSH products. They are the absolute best. I'm wearing this self-care club t-shirt. It says eat, hydrate, exercise, and sleep on the front. Literally 2 sizes too big, but they're comfortable. I also went full shopping yesterday, and I've made like a few little changes. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've got a load of flowers in the background. Over here on my desk I have these little pumpkins. These are actually from Jumbo. I'm obsessed. These are the cutest thing ever. I also purchased a new candle. This one is vanilla. It's gorgeous, and it says believe in whom you are and all that you can be. I think it's just so cute. This is also from Jumbo. On the agenda we have put away laundry, make dinner, make hot cocoa for the girls because my sister's having a sleepover with all her friends tonight. I'm gonna choose a book from my bookshelf because I've got lots of new books to choose from. This is my little bookshelf, and I started reading The Spanish Love Deception at the beginning of summer, but honestly guys, it didn't catch my attention the same way all my other books have, so I kind of stopped reading it. I really want to start reading Verity because it's just been all over my For You page. I'm gonna take her out. Also, everyone is saying that this is the book that helps get them unstuck. Tonight I really want to start reading Verity, so I'm probably gonna read this later, and it looks like quite a little easy read. I've heard such amazing things about it, and I've just been so obsessed with Colleen Hoover books. I was on such a strong reading game at the beginning of this year, and summer just got me busy, guys. So I'm gonna read tonight, then I'm going to sage and put on a candle.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to.
I am going to start reading. Also had a whole thing of hot chocolate. It is very much gone now, but it was very good. Then I'm going to give you guys an update. I have just finished reading a chapter and a half. I'm glad I did that act of self-care because honestly it's so calming. I'm really loving it so far. I already am loving the curiosity of Jeremy. I am now going to set the vibe. I'm gonna light some candles. I'm gonna put on my star projector, and I think I'm gonna edit because I really want to start editing this video. After that I'm probably gonna head to bed. It is almost 9 o'clock, which is pretty late. I'm gonna do that now, and I will speak to you guys, if not in a little bit, then tomorrow morning.
All days, brown eyes, roots in my apartment. And we grew, passed by, plans were always falling. I know you need out sometimes, head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in the